Inverse trigonometry questions, board wise 2020 to 2015 we are doing. So now we are entering into 2015 question. The 2015 they asked that cos inverse of minus half, the principal solution of this is what? Is that asked. So now you know that I told you in inverse trigonometry you have to take let cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to theta you should take. Then this implies what you get here, cos inverse, if I send this side, cos theta is equal to minus half you get. Now cos theta, what is the range of cos inverse? What is the range of cos inverse? Range of cos inverse? 0 to pi. 0 to pi is the range of cos inverse. So I have to write the principal value of this, means range is principal value. The principal value of cos inverse is 0 to pi should be there. So you know that minus pi, cos 1 by 2 when it is comes, cos 1 by 2 when it is comes, pi by 3. Pi by 3 it comes. But I want minus half. Minus half will get in cos the second quadrant. Second quadrant means pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 is how much? 2 pi by 3. Is that belongs to this branch? This lies in between? Yes. 0 to 180 here only, na? So it is lies in this. So this value will be equal to cos, I can write as 2 pi by 3. So therefore, the principal solution of this one is theta is equal to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. So theta equal to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. This year, the syllabus is changed. Means what, they have reduced some syllabus, they have made it some difference in previous, according to previous. Now question paper pattern also changed little bit. So last year, means from last year. So now in this mostly previous year questions, you see that previous year questions they are going to ask you. So previous questions you have the chance of asking, getting 62 in the whole paper, 60% will come in exam, definitely. So previous questions you have to do must and should. Then textbook questions. In your total paper, they will give you previous year question and textbook questions only. They will not give out of the box. So you have to prepare like that, understood? See, now we have to prove this, we have to find this value. X value, this is asked in October 2015. Okay, October 2015 question. Tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus cot inverse x plus 2 upon x plus 1 equal to pi by 4. Find x. So what is the rule? See, simple one. Whenever you have like this, I told you tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So all the formulas, that is the reason in beginning lecture I explained formulas. So according to formulas only you have to solve everything. So आपको cot you have to change into tan. So change cot into tan, then your work is done. So I will take, it is a right angle triangle I will take. Okay, let us take the right angle triangle and here it is the theta. ABC is the right angle triangle. And you know cot is what? Cot is what? Tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. So what you do here, let us take cot inverse x plus 2 upon x plus 1 is equal to theta. So cot theta will become what here? Cot theta is equal to, I will get as x plus 2 by x plus 1. You know this is the inverse function. Cot inverse goes here. Cot theta is equal to x plus 2 by x plus 1. So cot theta is equal to what? What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. What is cot theta? Adjacent by opposite. So here this will be x plus 2 and this will be x plus 1 for theta. Then what is here AC? AC is nothing but AC square is equal to nothing but AB square plus BC square. So AC square value will become what here? AB square, that is x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square. If I square this one, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square plus 4x plus 4 I get. Finally, I get x square plus 6x plus 5. So this value I am getting x square plus 6x plus 5. What happened? 2x square. 2x square plus 6x plus 5, right? Now I want in tan, right? It is in cot, right? But no need to find this one, unnecessarily I find. Okay, if this is in tan is this one, then what is in cot is this one, then what is in tan? Tan theta is equal to what? X plus 1 by x plus 2. So directly you can write this one. Unnecessarily I find that. No need to find that. Because tan I got, now I can replace this one as what here? Tan inverse I can write as x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus, and this I can write as, if tan theta is x plus 1, theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x plus 1 by x plus 2. That tan theta is nothing but cot inverse, means cot inverse of this value will be equal to tan inverse of this value. So tan inverse, or I can write as x plus 1 by x plus 2, this is equal to, they given pi by 4. They given pi by 4. They given how much? Pi by 4. Now what is the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y. So I will write here. Okay. So I am applying that formula here. If I apply that formula, I get as tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Here what I am telling you know this is, I am considering this whole thing is x. You know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. So here x is acting this one, y is acting this one. So tan inverse you are getting x plus y by 1 minus xy. So this is into, okay, this is into, this is addition. Now we can find this one. This is equal to how much they given? Pi by 4. This is equal to, they given how much? Pi by 4. Now if you simplify, you are going to get the value of x. That's it. Okay, tan inverse x into tan inverse y formula is same, na? Yeah, fine, correct. So now what we can use here, tan inverse, I can write this one. I can take the LCM of x minus 2 into x plus 2. I can take the LCM. Okay, so x plus 2 will multiply on numerator, x minus 1 into x plus 2. Are you getting? I am doing LCM here. Idhar LCM kar raha hu. Okay. And there I am writing here x plus 1 into, I get as what here? X minus 2. Previous years. Okay. So I did the LCM. Now here down also I get as x minus 2 into x plus 2 is the LCM. So this is multiply this one. 1 is there, so it will multiply. So x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus, this is same. So numerator you get as x minus 1 into x plus 1. Remember this, all people will do mistake here. They have to keep the bracket whole. Then only you are going to get the correct answer. Otherwise, here the mistake happen, everywhere mistake gets. So I applied here, I did LCM, nothing. If you don't know LCM, you do one thing, cross multiplication, that's it. This is 1 by 1, cross multiplication. So tan inverse what I get here? Tan inverse I get here, x minus 2, x plus 2, this is cancelled out. On the top what I am getting here, x square plus 2x minus x, minus into plus minus 2, I multiplied, plus here plus x square minus 2x plus x, plus into minus, 1 2 is 2. This is divided by x square plus 2x. See, you know this is a square minus b square formula. Directly here you a square, x square minus 4, 2 square is 4. Minus, this is also a square minus b square formula, x square minus 1 square. This is plus 2x minus 2x cancel, plus x minus x cancel. So this is equal to, they given pi by 4. So tan inverse what I am getting? Tan inverse I am getting here, x square plus x square, that is 2x square minus 2, that is minus 4. Divided by, here I am getting how much? X square minus 4 minus x square. Here I am going to get here minus into minus plus 1. So this is equal to pi by 4. So this you can see that plus x square minus x square cancel out. Now what I got here? What I got here? Tan inverse. I got here tan inverse 2x square minus 4 by 2x square minus 4 by 3 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 is equal to pi by 4. If I send pi by 4 that side, 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan inverse, if I send this side, tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is how much? 1. So this is going to get us tan pi by 4. You can send here also, no problem. So tan pi by 4 value will be 1. So I get us 2x square minus 4 by minus 3 is equal to 1. Because tan pi by 4 value is 1. 45 degrees is 1. So I get as 2x square minus 4 is equal to 3. So 2x square is equal to 7. X square is equal to 7 by 2. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 7 by 2. So this will be the answer. I think we have done some mistake. Let me see the calculation. Yeah, I have done some mistake in calculation. Let me see. Where? This is minus 3, yeah. I forgot to write here minus 3. So minus into this is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. So I get here 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2 is plus or minus 1 by root 2. X square is 1 by 2. So x will be plus or minus 1 by root 2 is the answer. So this is the deserved answer. Are you getting it? You sit here and write. So previous year question, 2014, this question is asked. Show that cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. You have to show this. Already done? I explained it. See, this is I explained one method. Even you have one more method. If you remember this formula, I explained as cos A minus B formula, cos A plus B formula, right? So even you have one more method, that is, if you remember this formula in x greater than 0, y greater than 0, in IIT I explained this. So cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy minus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. This is the formula. So these all the formulas I gave last year. I gave the formula sine inverse. Even I explained the board level method. If you remember this formula, you can do this formula also. You can use this formula. Means the answer for this one will be cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse. I can write x into y. X is what? 4 by 5. Into y is what? 12 by 13 minus under root of 1 minus x square, that is 4 by 5 whole square, under root of 1 minus y square, that is 12 by 13 whole square. This is came by that formula only, cos A plus B formula, using that only, right? This is, you can take here, this is theta. I explained one method already. It is there in the playlist. In beginning I explained. See that same questions you see in board, same questions they are repeatedly asking. You see that based on this they asked whole in this chapter, based on this only they are asking more questions. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y, otherwise tan inverse x into tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Based on this only they are asking questions. How simple they are asking. So once you do previous year questions, you will understand what is the easiest part of this. So this already I explained. One method is what I took, this is theta. I took this is alpha, then I used theta plus alpha is equal to, you got, right? And I applied cos A plus B formula, you remember? So likewise you can use, or you can use this formula directly. You simplify, you are going to get this answer is cos inverse. If you simplify this, like 48 by 65 minus under root of, this I'll get as 16, 1 minus 16 by 25 into 1 minus 16 by 25 into under root of 1 minus 144 by 169. If you simplify this, you are going to get this is only. Okay, so you can write here cos inverse, you can write cos inverse, you can write cos inverse 48 by 65 minus, and this is, I can write a 25 minus 16, that is 9 by 25, under root of 9 by 25, under root of 169 minus, that is 25 by 169, right? 25 by 169. So if you do this one, you get cos inverse how much? Cos inverse 48 by 65 minus, I will get here 9 by 5, 9 by 5 into, here I will get 5 by root 169 square root is 13. So 13, I will get as cos inverse 48 by 65 minus 15 by 65. That is cos inverse 33 by 65. That is what you require. So by formula also you can do, but both methods I explained. Formula method and is the problem method also I explained. So hope you have understood this chapter. Previous year questions are completed. Previous year all 2014 I completed, but still I want to explain two more questions. Okay, it's not asked in boards. See here, all related to tan inverse, na? Already tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, already I explained, I gave in the video also. Now sin inverse x plus sin inverse y formula is this. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y formula is this. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y formula is this. So if you want to remember the formulas, you can remember and you can write, use these formulas in exam. Otherwise, you have, I already explained the method, go to the methods. Method also, if you learn method, you can do method. Okay, fine. I should read sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is sin inverse x into under root of 1 minus y square plus y into under root of 1 minus x square. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, x square plus y square less than or equal to 1. X greater than 0, y greater than 0, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y formula, cos inverse xy minus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square. Sin inverse x into sin inverse y formula, sin inverse of x into under root of 1 minus y square minus y into under root of 1 minus x square where x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Cos inverse x minus cos inverse y formula, cos inverse xy plus under root of 1 minus x square square root of 1 minus y square, x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x less than or equal to y, minus cos inverse of xy plus under root of 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus y square when x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x is greater than or equal to y. These are the formulas. This is for minus, this is for plus. So these are the questions are there in textbook, but not, they did not ask in boards. If they ask, then you should answer like such questions. So sin of tan inverse 2, what is the value of this? If you want to find, what you do here, let us take now. Sin of tan inverse 2 is how much you have to find. So inside one you take theta, t. So let tan inverse 2 is equal to theta, you take it. So tan theta is equal to how much I get? Tan theta is equal to 2. Inverse if I send this side, tan theta it becomes. So tan theta is equal to 2 means 2 by 1. Let us take a right angle triangle. This is theta, this is A, B, C. You know tan formula is opposite by adjacent. This is 2, this is 1. If you apply Pythagoras rule, then what you get? Under root of 2 square plus 1 square, that is 4 plus 1, root 5 I will get. And root 5 I will get. So I know sin of sin inverse. See, we know the formulas of sin inverse, cos of cos inverse, tan of tan inverse. So we don't know sin of tan inverse 2. So what we do here, this tan inverse 2 we convert into sine inverse. So what I have done here, I took tan inverse 2 is theta. So tan theta is 2 by 1. Then I use this condition. Now what I will find from this, I will find sine inverse. Okay. Sine theta is equal to how much? What is sine theta here? Opposite by 11. That is 2 by root 5. So sine theta will be how much? Sine inverse 2 by root 5. Means theta is nothing but tan inverse 2. Means tan inverse 2 value is equal to sine inverse 2 by root 5. So this question will be changed. So this question will change as how? This question will change as sine of tan inverse 2. This is going to be changed. So what will become? Sine of sine inverse 2 by root 5. So sine inverse of sine inverse x is x. Right? You remember sine of sine inverse is x is equal to x when x is between -1 to +1. You have learned na? Sine of sine inverse is x. You have learned, right? So this answer will be equal to how much? 2 by root 5 is the answer, since x is belongs to -1 to +1. So these are the things you should know. Formula, that is sine of, you should write the formula also. Sine of sine inverse x is equal to x. So sine of sine inverse x is equal to x. Did you understand what I said? Should I need to explain once again? I need to explain once again. So now here I have to find this value. So tan inverse 2, I took theta. So tan I got. But if whenever you have here sine, inside should be sine inverse. If you have here tan, then I can write. If it is there tan inverse, okay. Sine inverse, okay. Cos inverse, okay. If not, you need to change by using the Pythagoras rule. So Pythagoras rule, I change sine theta. So theta equal to, you got this. Theta is nothing but tan inverse 2. Tan inverse 2 changed into sine inverse. So sine of sine inverse x is x. So sine of sine inverse x is x when x is belongs to -1 to 1. So ये तो -1 to 1 के बीच में ही है. So directly answer is what? 2 by root 5. You will get that only. Board में वैसा ही आता है. ठीक है? Understood? Now here, see this one. I want to find this one. But you see, sine of sine inverse means I can write direct answer. But here एक झटका लगा. क्या है? Sine of 2 sine inverse 3 by root. If sine of sine inverse, I can write answer. But it is not sine of sine inverse. It is sine of 2 sine inverse 3 by 5. So what I do here, let us take sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to theta. It means this whole part I considered as theta. Are you getting what I said? So what I do here, listen carefully. These are the important questions. That's why I am explaining this. It is not asked in your HSC class 12, but these questions asked in CBSE. But even though we can expect, if they come in exam, you need to know how to write this. It is there in your examples also. In your textbook examples, some questions are there. So now what you do here, sine inverse of 3 by 5 is theta. Then I get as sine theta is equal to how much? Sine theta equal to 3 by 5. Take the right angle triangle here, theta is here, and you know here opposite by hypotenuse. This is 5, 3, then this will be how much? 5, 3, this is how much? 4, na? Right angle triangle, 3, 4, 5. So you got here A, B, C, right angle triangle, this one. If sine theta is this, then what is the cos theta? Tell me, fatafat. Cos theta will be how much? 4 by 5. Why I am using cos theta here? Reason is, now this question is changed. See the beautiful of the mathematics. Sine of 2 of sine inverse x is become of 2, and this sine inverse of 3 by 5 is theta. It means this question is changed into sine 2 theta. Question is changed into sine 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Right? Mithali, don't write. First listen, understand. So 2 into, what is sine theta value? 4 by 5. Sorry, sine theta value 3 by 5. Cos theta value 4 by 5. Finally you got sine of 2 theta. That is nothing but this is only. You need to find this value. You need to find the value of this. So we are finding this value only. So by this way you are finding the answer will be, for this one is 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 24 by 25. So the answer for this is 24 by 25. Because sine of 2 theta is nothing but sine of 2 sine inverse 3 by 5. itself is that. So that is equal to 24 by 25. So like this you have to solve such questions. Suppose anybody asks you to find this value, sine of ARC sine by 3 by 5 ARC cos by 5 is how much? So simple, here is simple. This is nothing but sine of sine inverse 3 by 5 minus cos inverse 3 by 5. So let us take here this one, sine inverse 3 by 5 value is alpha, cos inverse 3 by 5 value is beta, like that take it. So what I get here, sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5, okay, and here I get as cos beta is equal to 3 by 5. तो दोनों 3 by 5 है. अच्छा देखो क्वेश्चन कैसा चेंज होता है, देखो सी the question is changed here. See this, sine of I got here, this I took alpha, so alpha minus this I took beta, alpha minus beta आ गया. So sine of A minus B formula, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So if you substitute these values in this, answer over. So sine alpha 3 by 5 cos beta this. So you don't know cos alpha cos beta, so there you can take here. See why I am explaining this level questions not there in your textbook, but in miscellaneous this question is there, miscellaneous. So if they ask you difficult question also, you can solve this. So theta is equal to, here I can write as this is here 3 and this is 5, this is 4, you know. So cos alpha, what I can write here, cos alpha is equal to what I can write here, 4 by 5. And here if I take right angle triangle, this is beta here, beta, this is, so this is alpha, sorry, this is alpha, right, alpha, this is beta. And cos means what here, this is 3, this is 5, adjacent by hypotenuse, and this will be 4, right angle triangle. So what I can write here, cos beta is this, so sin beta will be how much, sin beta will be this by this, that is 4 by 5. And these values you have sin alpha, cos beta, sin beta, put in this, you are going to get the final answer. So sin alpha, what is sin alpha here, 3 by 5. Cos beta, what is cos beta, 3 by 5. And what is sin cos alpha 4 by 5. What is sin beta, 4 by 5. So answer is how much, 9 by 25 minus 16 by 25, that is 9 minus 16 by 25. 9 minus 16 is how much, minus 7 by 25 is the answer. That's it, over. Like this we will do, okay, done. This chapter is over. Now we'll start LPP.